This is the doll head that I shared in How to Sculpt a Laughing Face. So I've already finished this project and I want to share with you briefly, and I also want to share with you how to make the ponytails. As I said in the How to Sculpt a Laughing Face video, I put on hair and put her on a body with arms and legs, and I put her in this cup with resin, and I put on some fruit like apple, melon, strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, cherry, mango, and kiwi fruit. And for the two ponytails, this is a new way that I made them, and I think it's better than what I did previously, so I'm going to share with you. So you get a lump of clay, the size that you want the ponytail to be, make it into a teardrop shape, put it on a surface, on the table, and press it flat, and then cut into strands. And sometimes you may have to snip away some parts because you want every strand to be as sharp as possible, and try not to let them stick together again, and cut to the top as close to the top as possible. And for both sides, you cut along the contour of the side. And as I said in my previous video, I use super light clay, and super light clay is very sticky when it is still wet, so I had to let it sit for about 10 minutes before I can do the next step. So I'll come back in a few minutes. I have another piece that I made previously. I think it is dry enough. So now you roll it back into roughly a teardrop shape again. And if you want the ponytail to be curly hair, you just coil up some of the strands like so. And you may even make the end, the tail a little bit curving outward like so, and use a craft knife to make the crevices along the cuts that you made earlier on. And you should cut the strands as thin as possible. Just like what I did here. Now this piece is dry enough too, so I coil some of the strands, roll it up, like so. And then add a toothpick, a very small piece of toothpick, very short piece, and put glue on and stick it in, and you can put it on the head. And that's about it of my sharing today. Thanks for watching. Bye.